Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be like kind of a long one because we're redoing my entire beauty room, filming room. It's gonna be like a transformation, so I wanted to take you guys on the journey of what we do. So we're going to Lowe's to get paint. We're gonna repaint it, and then we are gonna buy furniture. It's gonna be cool. We're going into Lowe's. We're gonna get some paint, maybe look at flooring. Light, ooh, we should look at their ceiling stuff. All right, we're debating between a few whites. Okay, so we have a few we're picking from. We can't decide which ones, but we're gonna go put them against furniture and see. So that's kind of, oh, the string, that's what they look like. Okay, so we're deciding on lights. So I think, I might go with that one right there. I think it's pretty. We're gonna take my ceiling fan down and put that so it's like nice and glammy. Hey guys, so like I was saying, I'm redoing my beauty room. So I'm actually right now about to put some painter's tape like along the wall and get ready to paint for work tomorrow, which I will vlog that for you guys. You like my shirt? Look at that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you like a before clip of my beauty room. It's a mess right now, but I kind of just want to show you what it looks like, because like my IKEA 9 drawer isn't in here, it's in my apartment, but that will be coming back here soon when everything's done. I'll be having like furniture, a couch, and stuff like that. So I just kind of want to show you an overview of how gross it looks. Hey guys, so it's the next day and we are going to be painting the room white. So as you can see, I kind of lined everything with painter's tape. That way we have like a nice, clean, precise line. And I did it on the floor because I'm gonna be actually painting the molding as well. But yeah, I actually need to clean that, so I need a rag. But yeah, my room, it looks so empty. So like here's like a little before. Hey guys, so we just finished painting the room and now it's completely white. So let me show ya. So it looks just super bright and like clean. So me and my dad did it. The ceiling, well, we didn't do the ceiling, but. And yeah, so now the only thing we have left, so we painted this door just like dry, but we have to paint the closet door. We just didn't have enough paint, so we're gonna have to do that later on, but it actually kind of looks like the color, so I'm gonna leave it. So yeah, so the next we're just going to put the furniture, we'll get furniture first, and we're gonna put the lighting fixture up. It's this one right here. Oh, there's paint on top, but it's like a nice crystal chandelier. Hey guys, so obviously today is like a brand new day, but I wanted to do a little update with you guys on the beauty room transformation. I'm not sure if I showed you these pictures yet, but we went to this place called At Home and we picked up some pictures to put on the wall, definitely when the couch comes in. We just ordered the furniture, so I'll be showing you guys that today. And then we are ripping up the carpet and putting tile down, so I obviously will try to vlog that whenever we do that. But I'm gonna show you the photos. So this is one of the photos that we picked up. I just love the Louboutins, the Chanel. I've been looking at this photo on Etsy for around like 50 bucks, but as you can see, at home, it was only like 20 bucks. And then we have this one, fashion you can buy, but style you possess. I believe this one was around $11, and it has a little bit of dirt, but it's fine. And then I picked up another Chanel one that has Audrey Hepburn, YSL, and Tom Ford. And then that one has Saint Laurent, Hermes, and Prada. I will show you guys the furniture we literally just bought right now. So it all should be arriving within next week. It comes like not assembled, which is nice, so I can just like leave it in the garage because we want to do the floors first and everything has to be out of here in order to do that. So firstly, is that even a thing? First. So I looked on Wayfair, that's where I was gonna buy everything, but I instead went on Walmart.com and they have the exact same pieces that I want from the exact same people, but Walmart is just a little bit cheaper. So, sorry if I'm looking here, I'm just trying to get my order. So Walmart is a little bit cheaper, so I saved probably about like $40, $50, which is really nice. Is the couch. I'll show you what it looks like on Wayfair because it's just a better photo. So that is what the couch looks like. It's like a scroll. As you can see, it's like a scroll and it's leather. Okay, focus. So it's a scroll and it's leather and it's black. I thought it would look so chic. I picked up. Now I ordered this table. It's like a white marble with gold. So it just looks like that. I thought it was just so freaking cute. Table, which is obviously golden marble, as you can tell. It's just golden marble. Here's a little up close photos. Hey guys, so obviously new day, new project with the beauty room. We ripped up all the carpet and it's putting tile in now, as you saw in the clips, and also I'll show you right here. So we just are putting tile in. We're not done yet. It takes a while, but it looks so good with the white wall. All of my furniture came in, so once this is all done and ready, we'll put the furniture together. And then I just need to get a clear acrylic, like one of those like ghost chairs for my beauty desk. I need a hallway, little table, and then that's about it. Hey guys, so I'm currently in my beauty room. As you guys know, I'm currently doing the transformation. I'm almost done, almost. And that's my cute little pug. I got a new doggy. She's so cute. But anyways, I'm almost done. I need to get some bulbs, obviously, for my mirror. I need to get a new fur rug because the one I ordered was way too small. Lulu, come here. And then I'm waiting for my clear like chair to come in. And then I just have to bring my 9-drawer IKEA from my apartment over here, and then we are finally complete. And so we built this entire mirror. Basically, all we did was take a mirror, buy light fixtures off Amazon, put the mirror on the wall, put the light fixtures next to it, and there you go. Voila. Easy DIY, and it was around $100, but with bulbs, probably it's gonna be like $120, so yes. Hey guys, so as you can see, my beauty room is finally complete and I couldn't be more happier about it. It took a lot of time, a lot of money. Let me tell you, I paid for mostly everything with my own money. My parents just bought me like the couch and that was it. Everything was on my own except for the flooring as well. But such a big transformation. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna give you a little tour, I guess. Here's the door, we all know. When you walk in, the first thing to the left here is going to be a really big giant mirror with a little fur rug on the bottom. Super cute, super big. This was actually in my apartment. I moved home a little bit earlier than I was supposed to, so I just brought it home with me. Obviously the closet's a mess. I am not going through that. And then over here we kind of have like a little styling section going on. Down there is a lot of my Steve Madden shoes, except for the Doc Martens and the leopard ones. The ones that I'm wearing right now are also supposed to be right on the rack, and those two are Steve Madden. As you guys know, I work at Steve Madden, so I kind of like to display all my shoes. And then I just picked pieces that I'm currently loving right now, and I thought that would like fit my aesthetic and kind of go with the room. Same with some vintage items over there. And then we have this really cute couture photo that I found at Goodwill. Up here, I actually took out the ceiling fan and put a chandelier. Super cute. And then here's my little like sitting area, coffee, chit chat area. I love it. I'm so obsessed. So I got this black, really cute like scroll leather couch. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark. Off Walmart.com. Actually, all the furniture that you see in this little clip right here is all from Walmart.com. Same with this really cute white marble little coffee table. The rug is from Amazon. This stuff is from Target. And then this little coffee table here is also from Walmart.com. And then I have a few little decorations. Above here, I just have some really cute picture frames. That one I believe is from TJ Maxx. These three are from At Home. I think they're so cute. I've been looking for like the Chanel ones. I think they just add something to the room. Of course, there's like a little corner here. That is like all my filming stuff. So it's like hidden in the corner. Then you guys know my beauty station. So I have my 9-drawer IKEA, which I've done a makeup collection before. I'll leave that link down below. It's kind of old. And then I just have this really cute picture, a mirror for when I film my videos, a little bowl of some beauty sponges, and then voila, the masterpiece of it all. I'm really obsessed with this like clear ghost chair. It's so cute and pretty, adds a little something to the room. I got it off Amazon for only like 56 bucks too. So obviously these two are from IKEA. I have some brushes, and these little brush holders are also from IKEA. And then me and my dad created this mirror. It was super simple. I forgot to show it in my transformation video, in this video obviously, but all we did was mount a plain mirror that we got at Home Depot on the wall. I look disgusting. All we did was mount a mirror on the wall, and then we got some light fixtures. I got them off Amazon, and we just mounted those right next to it on the wall, and bada bing, bada boom. There you have it. And then over here, if you guys remember, maybe I've shown it before in a few videos, but this used to be like, there was a door, and the door was a mirror. I took the door off, so that way it's like a little shelf to display some goodies. Let's brighten her up. So up top here is just my perfumes, and then we have some jewelry display. My everyday jewelry is in my room. This is just more of some fashion statement jewelry. Down here we just have some like a Gucci purse that's in there, Louis Vuitton, a Gucci wallet. And then down here is like all my sunglasses, and then a cute little purse that I found at Goodwill to display. So yeah. So here is just a quick little overview. I love this section right here, it's so cute. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little transformation video. I'm so excited with how my room turned out. Like, I'm gonna be here all the time. This is where I'll be probably every single day if I'm not working or at school, but it's almost summertime. So if I'm not working, and lots of videos are gonna be filmed in here. It's gonna just look so good. I'm so excited, and yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.